Very good morning, class 8. So today we'll do nitrogen cycle as in our last lecture it was incomplete. So let's begin with our nitrogen cycle. So basically students, nitrogen cycle is a biogeochemical cycle that describes the transformation of nitrogen and nitrogen containing compounds in nature. So like nitrogen is needed for the formation of proteins and amino acids and nucleic acid, and you know that some of the nutrient contains protein, that is only because of a nitrogen. Okay, so the circulation of nitrogen through living things will talk about plants and animals, and non-living environment, that is air, soil and water, is called a nitrogen cycle. So there are some steps in which is involved in nitrogen cycle, that is nitrogen fixation, nitrogen assimilation, ammonification, nitrification and denitrification. So students, in your book it is not there, they have just explained you the whole summary part of it, but I am going to explain you each and every part which is included in your nitrogen cycle. You just understand it. Okay, so our atmosphere has 78% of nitrogen gas, and nitrogen is one of the essential constituents of all the living organism as part of protein, your chlorophyll, nucleic acid and vitamins. So the atmospheric nitrogen cannot be taken directly by the plants and animals. This you have studied in class 7th also. So certain bacteria and blue-green algae present in the soil fix nitrogen from the atmosphere and convert it into the compounds of nitrogen. So once nitrogen is converted into these usable compounds, it can be utilized by the plants for this from the soil through their root system. So nitrogen is then used for the synthesis of plants' protein and other compound, and then animals feeding on plants get these proteins and other nitrogen compounds, and hence this is how it all works, the nitrogen cycle. Then that plant and animal die. Bacteria, fungi present in the soil convert those nitrogen waste into the nitrogenous compound to be used by the plants again, and certain other bacteria convert some part of them to nitrogen gas, which goes back to the atmosphere. As a result, the percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere remains more or less constant. So as you can see here in the picture, that atmospheric nitrogen, how during the time of lightning the bacteria, the nitrogen and oxygen in atmosphere react and form oxides of nitrogen. So these dissolve in rainwater and form a nitric acid, and nitric acid reacts with limestone in the soil and converts into a nitrate. So biological nitrogen fixation, you have already heard about a bacteria which is present, that is called leguminous plant usually contain that bacteria called rhizobium. So the plants which usually contain this bacteria is peas, beans, pulses, leguminous plants. So in their root nodules, these bacteria can take atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into a nitrogen compound, and some cyanobacteria like Nostoc and Anabaena also fix the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates. So this comes under, student, the first part which we usually call it in nitrogen cycle is nitrogen fixation. Fine. So this is how first part occurs. Then there is nitrogen assimilation. What happens, students, when plants absorb nitrates from the soil, they are taking from the soil and dissolve it in water with the help of roots and converted them into a plant protein. So the herbivore animals eat green plants and convert that plant protein into an animal protein. So the herbivorous animals are then eaten by carnivore animals. The process of conversion of inorganic nitrogen compounds into organic compounds that become part of a living organism, and this is what do we call as nitrogen fixation. Whenever animal will going to eat it, like here it has been said that compounds of nitrogen is the soil which is taken by the plant, and then herbivore plant will going to eat this, then animal eat it, then carnivore plant eat it, and then nitrogen waste from excretion and death, and again it comes back to the soil. So one more the third process, the third part which comes under nitrogen cycle is ammonification. When plants and animals die, the protein present in them are converted into ammonium compound by the putrefying bacteria and fungi decomposers present in the soil. In this, whatever we have talked about, the nitrogen waste also from the excretion and the death of animal and plants. Alright, it again goes back to the soil, and this process is called ammonification. इस प्रोसेस को हम अमोनिफिकेशन बोलते हैं, एंड वी कैन डिफाइन अमोनिफिकेशन एज कन्वर्जन ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड लाइक प्रोटीन इनटू अमोनिया. फिर वो अमोनिया में चेंज हो जाता है. ठीक है बेटा. So compounds of nitrogen in plants which is taken by the plants through soil, this is called your nitrogen assimilation. This is also your nitrogen assimilation when animal is eating it. And after this, when the animal or plant die, and it again goes back to the soil, and this is called ammonification. And that nitrogen will go into the soil in the form of ammonia, hence the name is ammonification. Next is nitrification. Ammonium salt in the soil is converted first into nitrates by Nitrosomonas bacteria. Like in your book here it is written that in soil there is some kind of a bacteria which converted into a nitrates form. So that this name of the bacteria is Nitrosomonas bacteria, and these nitrates are converted into nitrates by Nitrobacter bacteria. These bacteria are called nitrifying bacteria. इनको नाइट्रीफाइंग बैक्टीरिया इसलिए बोलते हैं बेटा क्योंकि ये अमोनियम सॉल्ट को नाइट्रेट्स में कन्वर्ट करती हैं. ठीक है. द नाइट्रेट्स सो फॉर्म्ड इन द सॉइल कैन बी वंस अगेन बी एब्जॉर्ब बाय द प्लांट्स. दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड नाइट्रिफिकेशन. सो द कन्वर्शन ऑफ अमोनिया इनटू नाइट्रेट्स इज कॉल्ड नाइट्रिफिकेशन. और इसमें जब बेटा कन्वर्जन हो गई, ammonium salt goes back to the soil again, isn't it? And then again it is converted into a nitrate. The conversion of ammonia into nitrate is known as that is nitrification. Alright. So next is beta denitrification. Some of the nitrates are absorbed by the plants. Rest of the nitrates in the soil are converted by Pseudomonas bacteria into nitrogen gas which escapes into the atmosphere. That is what we are talking about. The percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere remains more or less constant because some of the bacteria convert some part of them to nitrogen gas which goes back into the atmosphere, and this process what do we call as denitrification. Okay, so the conversion of nitrates into a free nitrogen gas by denitrification bacteria जिसको नाम दिया है Pseudomonas is called denitrification, and thus the nitrogen cycle maintains the percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere as well. So this is how a whole process occurs in your nitrogen cycle. Please read it carefully and underline it, whatever problem you're going to face it, and your doubts will be cleared in Google form. Alright students, thank you very much.